Hi, have you seen the new computer game Magic Circle? It's new in the stores.
No, I haven't. I am still addicted to Travel the World. It's a great game.
What is it about?
You get to travel the world, know new cultures, all in the game. Do you know about what is the most famous building in Paris?
What?
TH Eiffel Tower. It is amazing. And do you know the game Powered Journey? That is really amazing. You can go to outer space and discover stars.
Yes, I have played that game. It was really challenging. In addition, it is very expensive, so I didn't buy it.
Okay. So when are you coming over to play?
How about tomorrow?
Great. See you tomorrow.